back to another DTFC match in the Essex Alliance Premier Division. Today they are on the road against London CRANES, and this will be a test. Because look at that pitch, it looks lively. Proper grassroots football. Get the starting lineups up for you. In goal, of course, none other than Alex Jennings. The defensive line, Kenny continuing there at right back, Lewis in the left back position, and Terry and Ty as a centre back partnership. It's experienced Kaz Bishop alongside the young Enzo Sock. And then a very familiar three in front of them with Jake on the right, Jermaine on that left-hand side, and number 10, Kieran Hipgrave in the middle. And of course, up top, been in tremendous form of late, man like Billy leading the line. Great hold-up play. Excellent team. There's the bench. There's a lovely picture of DC. Let's get this underway. Kickoff is here. Here we go. Opening here. Jermaine's picking the ball up on the left-hand side. Into the box. Nice little step over. Whips the ball in. There's a bit of a shanked clearance there by London CRANES. Now, the second shanked clearance. Finally away. He recycled. Enzo picks that up. It's nice there by Lewis. Just loses out, and that's cleared. Foul been given here. Kieran's over the ball. Whips in this free kick. It's a great cross. Billy's there. Oh, just given offside, but it's a good clearance in the end. I thought it was going to land on Billy's head in the middle. Well, one back again there. Lovely there by Kieran. Away from his man. Oh, he sits him down. Enzo, who's going to feed it down the line. Lovely play. Tackle. That's going to be a corner here to DTFC. Ball's whipped in. It's a bit long for everybody. Slightly overhit there by Jay. That's going to be a DT throw. Alex comes out to clear that with his head. Good clearance. Lewis just tidying up here. Switches the play very nicely. First time, ball forward there, beating the offside trap. Jake trying to get it onto his right, cuts onto his left, he shoots. Oh, so it's a goal! It goes in. What a goal there. Man like Jake, 6 minutes into the game. And that all started from a brilliant clearance from Alex Jennings in goal. And look at that, didn't go on the right, puts it onto his left, bang. Far bottom corner, 1-0 to DTFC. Throw in here to London CRANES. Chest. Oh, great bit of play. He's in the box, squared it. Come all the way through. It's well cleared in the end. Just driving forward here. That's nice. Gets the ball forward to Jermaine. It's so tight to him, but he's got the skill. He's got the trickery. Got the overlapping run there by Lewis. That's great. Lewis got the opportunity to get it into the box. He puts it in. Billy's control. Billy makes it 2-0. Excellent football by DTFC. Wonderfully rounded off by Billy there. That's 2 goals in 2 minutes. Look at the overlapping run was great. The cross beats the line. Billy's first touch. Gets it out of his feet. Bang. Roof of the net. Goalie got no chance. 2-0. Alex collects here. Right to play it from the back, DTFC, but goes long this time. For the run there. Jermaine's gambled. He's picked the ball up. Going to cut this onto his right. He does. He goes on his right. He shoots. Oh, and it's 3-0. Sensational. Oh, Alex. Do you know what? Alex Jennings, that's an assist, right? That's an assist from the goalkeeper. Astonishing. Should be. It won't be, but it should be. Lovely hit by Jermaine. Sizes up the defender. Whoop, no. Sit down. Move out the way. Bang. Bottom corner. Goalkeeper's got no chance. Is it game over already? Lovely, lovely switch there by Enzo. Cass now on the ball. Shoots. A slip from Lewis, but he recovers. Jermaine keeps it in. Out here wide on the left. Feeds it on the inside to Billy. Billy's got options. Takes a touch. He's going into the box. He's brought down. Referee says no. Wow. I mean, I've never seen a clearer foul. It wasn't a penalty. It was outside the box, but an absolute stonewaller. London Cranes have a free kick here. She's knocked into the box. Well cleared by Jake. What's going on here? What's the referee doing? Ball's whipped in. It's cleared. I'm so confused. Indirect free kick. Shoots into the box, and that's going to be a corner. I'm still confused by the free kick, but the ball's whipped in here. London Crane try to clear. By the way, Kenny has come off. Stephen has come on in this game. Substitution early on. Lovely play there by Lewis. He's now brought down. Referee actually saw this one. Free kick. Kieran whips it in. Could be another goal. Oh, that's well cleared. There's a claim for a handball, though. Let's have a little look at this. It's whipped in. It's an excellent header. That's a handball. You can see his hand move after he hits it. Stonewall penalty. Enzo's come off here. Jemiah is on. It's lovely. Well brought down by Billy. It's a great ball down the channel. Jermaine's running through on goal. Oh, he's tackled there in the box, but he wins the ball back. Cut in. That is it. It's 4-0 to DTFC. Just on the pitch. Jemiah with the goal. 38 minutes on the clock. And just more excellent hold-up play by Billy to begin with. He feeds it into Jermaine. He's patient in the middle. Waits for the opening. Cuts it across. Left foot. Bang. 4-0. Another free kick here. Kieran's delivery today has been excellent. He's whipped in. Absolutely on the money. Billy brings it down. Should be finishing that, and he doesn't. I don't think anyone's going to get a penalty this referee today. Keep trying to get up the other end of the pitch here. Foul's given for that. Alex Jennings here with the ball. Cleared upfield. Billy gets his head to it. Very well indeed. Put the pressure on. Through on goal. That's got to be a penalty, surely, ref. Oh, and he's finally given it. It was actually well won in the air by Jake, by the way, not Billy. Apologise. Billy wins the penalty. Jake standing over this now. Shoots. Oh, it's the post. It's another penalty missed by DTFC this season. Free kick here to Cranes. Lofted in. Bit of a back header. That's easy there for Alex. And that's half time, ladies and gentlemen. What a comfortable first half it has been. Considering the state of the pitch, some of the football played by DTFC has been absolutely superb. Let's see how they can get on. Can London Crane get back into the game as well? Second half's kicking off here. Make sure you're smashing that like button, people, by the way. Free kick here. Maya whips that in. Billy's there. Oh, he controls it. Good save by the goalkeeper. Another chance missed. Crane's trying to play out from the back. They've lost it. Excellent there by Kaz. Lovely trickery. Boxed in. Look at that, that's excellent. As a referee not given a foul there, absolutely unbelievable. But Jermaine whips the ball into the box. That's collected by London Crane's goalkeeper. DT moving it forward again here. Billy plays it out to this right-hand side to Jake. Jake's got an overlap if he needs it. Goes inside here. Jemiah, lovely feet and trickery. Lovely ball on the inside to Billy. come through to Kieran. Good shot. Well saved by the goalkeeper. Kieran picked up the rebound here. Looking for options. Digs it in. That's cleared and going to be a corner to DTFC. Jemiah. All the way through. Oh, that's well over. That is well over there. It's a wonderful cross. Oh, just over, so close. It's a lovely ball forward. Billy's through on goal here. Oh, we've broken the lines. Billy, he shoots. Oh, it's just wide. Knocking on the door. Very, very well at the minute, DTFC. The football's excellent. Corner ball. Kieran whips it in. It's just over everybody's head. Jemiah has the ball here. Squares it. That's Billy. That's 5-0. Game, set, and match. 65 minutes on the clock. It's a lovely ball. Breaks the lines. Jermaine down the channel, cuts into the box, squares it, and there's man like Billy with the left peg. 5-0. Lovely work. Great goal. Ali with the throw in here. Bit of play. Oh, it's going to be a foul and a free kick. He's going to be in a booking out here as well. Whipped in. Holds on to that very, very well. Lovely play from Jake on the left-hand side. Gets that cross in. Bang! Oh, what a save, keeper. Rebound. Oh, how's he missed? Oh. Should have been 6-0. Oh, what's happened here? They're playing it on. Surely got a score here. Oh, no! How have you not? Well, I'm lost for words. Lost for words. Jemiah has it now. Plays it on the inside. That's a late tackle. Oh, he's going to kick off here. Terrible tackle. Referee's got to take control here. It's nasty from behind. Referee's got to stop it. You can completely understand why Kieran's not happy. You go in on behind on someone like that. Let's watch the replay again here. Oh, that's disgusting. That's absolutely disgusting. He's gone in to hurt him. Referee's got to do something about that. The yellow card there for the London Cranes player. I think he's lucky just to get a yellow, if I'm being honest. Free kick here for that foul. Jemiah whips it in. Bang! There it is. It's 6-0. Easy. Absolutely easy there. Terry with his goal in the last moments of the game. What a cross. He's got such a brilliant delivery, Jemiah. And there it is at the back stick. Bang. Game, set, match. A little cherry on top of the icing on top of the cake. And that's full time as well. A very comfortable victory for DTFC. The game was over inside 11 minutes, if we're being absolutely honest. It's also answered the question as to whether they can do it in the cold, wet and windy days that you get at this level, and of course on an awful pitch as well. These are the kind of games that you have to win league titles. And now DTFC move on to the next one. Big shout out to Film My Match as always. Remember, the same time, same place next week, and we'll see you all again very, very soon.